Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, I just want to say I'm sorry if I sound a little bit stuffy. I have been sick for the past few days, so I am just trying to get over that, but there are still videos to be made, so let's get right into it. So today's video is going to be kind of a continuation of my last cleaning video where I was kind of recuperating after Christmas. So this is just more of the same. That disaster of a spare room that I had showed you guys in the other video, that is getting tackled today, as well as the bathroom and a few things that I had to do in King's room. I'm also going to be tackling my patio because that is just full of boxes and a bunch of stuff that just really needs to be taken to the trash. I never put my Christmas tree away, so I'm going to have to get that put back in its spot for storage. So just a lot of little things that I need to do since I'm going to be rehanging some stuff in King's room. I'm also going to take the time to fill up some holes that I had made from some other times where I tried to hang stuff in there, because you guys, I'm the worst hanger of things. I make so many holes in the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fill those holes as well as paint them and, you know, just make it look presentable, because right now there's just holes everywhere, so got to take care of that. But yeah, you guys, so right now I'm just starting off in this room using my good old trusty lazy stick to get all this stuff up off the floor. After this, I'm going to be organizing all the Christmas bags and all the wrapping paper and everything that I was using while I was in this room, using it as a wrapping station. So just trying to get the bins organized so I can put them back on the patio for storage. So yeah, that's pretty much that. This video is not going to be very long. I am going to do a time-lapse speed through on this video. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and hopefully it gives you a little bit of motivation as well.
The clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie?
Now that I have all the Christmas stuff up, I do need to switch the TV that's in this room and put it in King's room. And then I have gotten another hand-me-down TV that I'm going to be putting in this room, and I'm going to just be sitting that on the countertop there. So I'm just switching that up, and I'm going to need to fill those holes where that TV was hanging as well. So you guys will get to see my stellar, amazing hole filling jobs. Yeah. Okay, so now that this room is all done, I'm going to take all these boxes that I left in the bathroom and put them outside on the patio with all the other million boxes that are out there. So I'm going to be throwing everything over the patio because the trash can is on that side. There's no point in walking all the way around. So yeah. And I actually was sitting there contemplating, and I decided to just go ahead and throw away my Christmas tree. It's really just completely done with. It's old, it leans, it's not good anymore. So that's just going to the trash, and I'm going to get another one next year. No need to try to stuff it back in the storage spot. Out with the old, in with the new, guys. We're decluttering, we're getting rid of stuff we don't need. So that includes some old furniture, things that were just sitting on the patio. All that stuff has to go. Alright, so I'm finishing up out here on the patio. I do have a couple last minute things to do, but I'm not going to be able to get the patio as clean as I want it because I'm going to need to declutter and turn that into a whole project. So that'll happen later. But I'm going back in the house now. I'm gonna tackle this bathroom and King's room and try to get all this done because I am tired and it's getting late. You guys, again, I'm the worst hanger of things. I try 40 different ways to hang this TV. I put 20 more holes in the wall. And yeah, so it's just a terrible thing. I got the nails stuck in there. But whatever. The TV got hung and that's all that matters.
You get it by now.
Alright, so I went ahead and filled the holes in the wall. I replaced one of the child-proof outlets, and now it's time to paint where I filled the holes. And you guys, after it was done, the next day I went back and looked, and the paint is a completely different color. So that's annoying. And so I'm gonna have to go to my apartment manager and have them replace the paint because they're the ones who gave me this paint and they told me that it matched it. It did not match, so I'm a little irritated about that, but whatever. It is what it is. Just blotchy little spots on the wall now. Whatever.
It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far.
Alright guys, we are all done now. Just putting a few finishing touches in each of the rooms. I'm so happy to finally have everything out of the way. All of Christmas is officially out of my house. I love Christmas, but I did not want to see you for this long. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you like this, please like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for coming. I hope you got some motivation from this. I hope you're able to go get yourself organized and get everything clean and put together. I'm definitely going to be doing some more videos because I have so many spaces to declutter for the new year. It's 2021. I'm trying to be organized and have things where they go and not be so frantic and in a huff with things all everywhere. It's definitely going to be the goal for this year. So I will hope to see you guys at my next video, commenting and liking and subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.